Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can get signed in into the Liberty University. Liberty University is a private institution that was founded in 1971 and it utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a Liberty.edu and press enter. Here at the official web page of Liberty University, you can see the option of sign in on top right side of the screen. You click on sign in. Here you will see sign in page where you need to provide a registered email address or phone number, or you also can go with your Skype ID. Then you need to click on next where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to provide your password for your account. Then you will be able to log in into the Liberty University. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the Liberty University. Thank you.